Today I'm going to speak about Nikola Motors, the Nikola stock that everybody's been talking about, that stock that's gone over 100% in the last 2 days, 3 days. And this time with me here, I'm going to put a bit of more positive spin about the stock, who is worth more than Ford just now, $26 billion, have not even sold a single car. So stick with me on this video and let me shine some light on some positivity that everybody is banging on. Hello, welcome back to Family Investment. If you've been on my channel before, I've released a video previously about Vector IQ. So it's basically Vector IQ has been converted to the company called Nikola. For branding purposes, this company decided to stick to the name Nikola. So what's happened here in the last 2 months is there was a reverse merger back around about in March where they agreed. So Vector IQ and Nikola decided to join forces, raise some money, not do an IPO, so reverse merger, save some money, smart guy. And now when it got released on the 4th, 5th of June, that company stock doubled, and today it's gone up again, and it's just rocketing the whole financial stock market. They've not sold a single car, but they're worth more than Ford Motors just now. You walk out the door, you see lots of Ford cars anywhere in the world, but you've not even seen a single Nikola car. All you see is their special model on social media and their website. So what's so great about this? Why are investors pumping loads of money in them? So like I said, the zero sales, they will only be worth $1 billion in 2023. 2023, they've released the statement. 2023, they're worth $1 billion based on the sales and the target they would like to achieve and the cars they will be releasing over in different phases. But now they're already worth $26 billion. So is it more room for growth, or is it going to be a huge drop, like a huge stone right into the river? And the CEO, or not the CEO, the board of directors or the owners, Trevor Milton, he's a very, very outgoing person, great on social media, and he claims that on the 26th of June, he'll be talking the world release about his Badger, his electrical truck, the EV truck Badger, that can do a capability of 600 to 700 miles on a single charge, which everybody's getting excited about. Look at the design, it's quite a neat looking car. He's put it on Twitter that they might include a fridge in it. Depends on the configuration, the car can be ranging from $80,000 to $90,000. That's quite an affordable price for a truck as well. In terms of the shares, there's no way you can do any technical analysis because there's no historical data. There's no way you can do any trending. There's no way you can do any analysis because there's no history. So in terms of the shares, number of shares, of 360 million shares sold. They're worth about $28 billion. But out of that, 1/3 of them is wholly owned by Trevor Milton himself. So he owns about 1/3 of the share. And he claims that a lot of European investors, European institutes have come over lastminute.com to buy his shares, his stock, because they see tremendous growth. And again, he has admitted that the likes of Robinhood and all this new flashy new trade broking app has come in with large sum of money investing. So volatility is the key word. Everybody's been talking about that. They're going to see lots of pump and dump. It's going to be a great FOMO share. But I don't know, nobody's got a crystal ball. We don't know where this is going, but we know that they're not selling cars. So basic fundamentals in the technical analysis, sales, is zero. They've got nothing to back it up, but only future forecasts. So what you're paying for just now at $70, $80, $90, you're basically paying for the future value. The future value in the next 5 years, where they actually start making money. Not even in the next 8 years. But here in this video, I would like to do a bit something different. I would like to put a bit positive spin on this. Positive spin on Trevor Milton and Nikola. So firstly, I must admit, when Elon Musk came to the scene about 10 years ago, he was an exciting person. He wasn't the best on stage to crack a joke, but he was an honest, hard-working person who has proven himself. So now Trevor Milton comes along 10 years later in 2020. Now he's got social media by the storm. His Twitter account is just growing by the day. And he claims that he wants to be the front facing of the company. He wants to be fully transparent. He is actually getting the world excited. He's actually getting the world excited. And the people that are really excited are buying into his words are millennials. Millennials, really, there's nothing wrong with that. Millennials are excited because he is, number one, he's transparent. He speaks out. He shares as much as he wants. He is the new type, not CEO. He's the new owner who's willing to share information with the company. He wants to be open and transparent about his company. He wants to show stage by stage. He wants to listen to people's criticism and make changes. So he wants to be a new modern company, not the old style company like Apple who only designs product based on what they think. But then I think Trevor Milton and Nikola claims to wants to push the company to a point where he wants his client and customers to walk along with his journey. So he's trying to be transparent. And the other thing that he speaks about, the next thing I'd like to speak about is he claims that he's already got the technology. He claims that he's got already the technology for battery-powered vehicles. He has got plans rolling out. He wants to roll out as much carbon copy plan of what Elon Musk and Tesla has been doing. He wants to build EV charging points. He wants to do electric trucks. He wants to go into hybrid. He wants to go into electric helicopter, electric bikes. So he's going all in. He's got a plan. That man and the company has got a plan. He's getting people excited and he's just sharing it quickly. So who knows? He might be a type of owner that gets great people in the team, gets people revved up, a great design team. Nobody knows. It's only time will tell. So he wants us to walk this journey with him. And I'm quite surprised that he claimed that he's got European institution subscribing to his issue of shares. That's very surprised. You don't see European institution jumping in on the bandwagon unless they see everything being checked out, everything being concrete. I'm surprised that he's claiming that EU institution is coming. Big institution. So who knows? Maybe this has got something to do with Germany wanting to subsidize electric vehicles. Who knows? German might want to buy a piece of their technology. Maybe they're seeing something.
If you're looking for a commission-free, low-cost UK ISA stocks and shares trading broker, then I recommend you Trading 212. Click on the link below. I've joined it. You can buy fractional shares. It's easy to buy, easy to use app for beginners and also advanced trending tools that you're looking for. So click on the link below and join me now at Trading 212. Really, really good. See you soon.
The way to, if you want to invest in a great potential company who might, succeed in at least 5 to 8 years, treat this company like a cryptocurrency, cryptocurrency strategy. That's all I want to say. Buy a little bit of Nikola, stash it there, keep it away, don't look at it, and come back the next few years and see what happens. Do not go and jump in and drop 50 grand, 100 grand, 150 grand into a company and then see up and down fall, get a heart attack, kill yourself. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Treat it like a cryptocurrency strategy. Buy, let it rest, come back in a few years' time, open up the box, Pandora's box, and see what you've made. That's all you can do if you want to sign up to this. So, don't feel that you're late on the bandwagon jumping in. There's still a lot of opportunity because the volatility will be there. But then once you buy this stock, I'm sure you will enjoy the journey. I'm sure you see stages being unfolded, them being shared, and then the products being released. He's gonna, he's a millennial. He wants to do it his own millennial way. So this is what I think, on my point of view. But in terms of if you want to go long-term stocks, great big companies, there are loads of other companies out there. Facebook, Fiverr, Uber, Microsoft, plenty of companies out there. But if you've got a bit of money left over for a bit of risk that you want to just have a punt, then Nikola's for you. And follow the guy on Twitter, Instagram, and see how the journey unfolds, because he's actually making the world excited about his new product. Like when Steve Jobs came out with the iPod, I see similarity, but he has to prove himself. He has to prove himself on the stage. He has to prove himself that he's resilient to criticism, mental battle, and people trolling him. He has to be prepared for it. But This is the path he chose. He is worth $8 billion already. He is already a billionaire for not producing any cars yet. He has broke all records. So yeah, so that's me on Nikola share. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm indeed excited to see his product coming up and his journey. And yeah, just invest carefully, guys. Be positive, invest carefully. There's no point trying to be negative about a stock, because remember when Elon Musk first came out, it was the same 8 to 10 years ago. It was exactly the same. Just give him a chance and we'll see what he unfolds. You don't have to invest now. You can wait for a later stage. Okay, so that's me on Nikola Stock. I might put about 300, 400, 500 pounds on my trading 212 account, which is commission free. Just put it in there and see what happens. In worst case scenario, he goes bankrupt, goes away. But then I've got bigger fish to fry, like the likes of Facebook, Microsoft, Apple stocks, biggest fish to fry. But sometimes, you know, a bit of a gameplay of a couple £100 is no harm. Okay, so see you later. Have a good day. Sign up, like, subscribe, and hopefully see you in the next video. See you, bye.